Welcome back, friends, to another video designed to help you take charge of your life, one small habit at a time. Today, we'll dive into 5 habits that might seem simple, but can profoundly impact your well-being and success over time. Number 1. Express your gratitude. Writing down 3 things you're thankful for each day might sound small, but it has a ripple effect on your mental health. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude regularly helps you sleep better, reduces stress, and even strengthens relationships. Why? Because when you focus on the positives, those moments you might overlook, you naturally shift your perspective. When we don't take time to reflect, it's easy for the days to blur together. Suddenly, the things you should be celebrating fade into the background. By keeping a gratitude journal, you create a positive feedback loop that reinforces appreciation and mindfulness. Number 2, clean for 10 minutes each day. Here's the thing, cleaning is overwhelming. We've all been there. You look at the mess and think, I'll do it later, but later turns into never, and suddenly your entire space feels chaotic. The trick is to make it manageable. Commit to just 10 minutes a day. It's short enough to not feel like a chore, but long enough to make a visible difference. This method, known as chunking, breaks large tasks into smaller, bite-sized portions that are easier to tackle. Imagine coming home after a long day and having your space clean and tidy. You'll feel more relaxed and in control. Start by picking one corner, like folding clothes or cleaning the kitchen sink, and you'll be amazed how quickly it adds up. Bonus, you'll be surprised by how much you can actually get done in 10 focused minutes. Number 3, take care of your skin. Ever notice how your mood shifts when your skin isn't cooperating? Bad breakout, dry winter skin. It affects how you see yourself, which in turn affects your confidence. Skin health is more than just appearance. It's closely tied to your mental state. According to Dr. Richard G. Fried, a dermatologist and clinical psychologist, stress can trigger unwanted physical changes like inflamed skin, brittle nails, and thinning hair. The cycle is vicious. When your skin suffers, your self-esteem dips, which leads to more stress, worsening the condition. Taking care of your skin isn't just about vanity. It's about building a routine that reinforces your well-being. Use a regimen that works for you, whether that's moisturizing, staying hydrated, or protecting against the elements. When you feel good in your skin, it has a direct impact on how you approach your day and how others see you. Number 4, apply the 80-20 principle. Now, let's talk efficiency. The 80-20th principle, or the Pareto principle, was named after economist Vilfredo Pareto, who observed that 80% of the land in Italy was owned by 20% of the population. This idea expanded into different fields, showing that 80% of results often come from just 20% of effort. In business, athletics, and even your personal life, this principle is surprisingly applicable. Think about your daily tasks. You may feel like you're constantly busy, but are you being productive? Chances are, a large portion of your effort goes to activities that don't move the needle. The key is identifying which 20% of your actions drive the most success. Start by creating a list of your tasks. Rank them by importance, and then cross off the bottom 80%. Focus on the high-impact 20%, the work that yields real results. Whether it's the 20% of exercises that give you the best fitness outcomes or the top 20% of clients that drive most of your revenue, this principle will help you streamline and work smarter, not harder. Number 5, build effective routines. Routine. It's not just about discipline. It's about building a structure that propels you forward. A great routine sets the tone for your day and helps you wind down effectively at night. Mornings are all about stimulation. Your routine should wake you up mentally and physically, whether it's a quick jog, reading the news, or listening to an energizing podcast. You're setting the pace for a productive day, and the goal is to fill your morning with activities that inspire and energize you. On the flip side, your evening routine should de-stress and relax your body and mind. This is your time to reflect, let go of the day's stress, and prepare for restful sleep. Maybe you unwind with a good book, do some light stretching, or watch a relaxing show. The goal here is to create a transition from your busy day to a calm night, ensuring you wake up ready to take on tomorrow. And that's it. 5 habits that, though small, have the potential to make a big impact on your daily life. Whether it's fostering gratitude, improving your skincare, or simply getting your room in order, these habits are all about shifting your mindset, creating structure, and bringing positive energy into your day. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. Implement these habits one at a time, without rushing. Small, consistent steps will eventually lead you in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.